What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about the vertical stretch and vertical compressions of trigonometric functions. First of all, I start with graphing sine x. When you graph sine x, you're gonna have something like this. If I just restrict it from 0 to 2 pi for one cycle, you see it goes up by 1 and goes down to -1 and it goes back to original position. So here the range is -1 to +1 and the period is 2 pi. Now if you imagine if you want to graph 2 sine x, now the amplitude is 2 and it is going to change from -2 to +2. So we have a vertical stretch by factor 2 here because it is like stretch from vertical point of view. Now if you have an amplitude less than 1, like 0.5 sine x, as you see here, the purple graph shows you 0.5 sine x and the amplitude is 0.5. So the range is from -0.5 to +0.5. So in this case, when the amplitude is less than 1, we call it vertical compression. So we have vertical compression by factor of 0.5. So this is the difference between vertical compression and vertical stretch. We can have the same thing for cosine function as well. I'm gonna have cosine x from 0 to 2 pi for one period. So it starts from 1, goes down to -1, it goes back to +1. The amplitude is 1 and the range is -1 to +1 and the period is 2 pi. Now if we graph 2 cosine x from 0 to 2 pi, the amplitude is 2 now, the minimum is -2 and the maximum is +2. So we have vertical stretch because the amplitude is greater than 1, and like sine function, if we graph 0.5 cosine x from 0 to 2 pi, you're gonna have the dark red graph here and it starts from 0.5 to -0.5. You see here we have vertical compression. So the coefficient here we chose amplitude, it basically defines vertical stretch or vertical compression. If it's greater than 1, we have vertical stretch. If it's less than 1, we have vertical compression. So that's the concept of vertical stretch and vertical compression. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description in case you need practice question. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching and have a great day.